let me go through the list now as well. A UN income tax, which you reminded us. Make it illegal to go to war without UN approval?
Yep. That's called the International Criminal Court, which meets, which almost every other nation belongs to. And it creates first of all, it's an appellate body above the U.S. Supreme Court. So it would have, if we sign, it would have the power to overrule the U.S. Supreme Court, even in lawsuits of Americans against Americans in America. And secondly, it defines a new crime called aggression. And the crime of aggression is going to war without Security Council approval, which is to say Russian and Chinese. And the President of the United States, after he leaves office, and the Secretary of Defense are subject to arrest and criminal prosecution if they break that law, just as if they were human rights violators like Saddam or Gaddafi. And when Bush was planning a trip to Switzerland, 2 years after he left the White House, he canceled the trip because there was a serious threat that the Swiss authorities would arrest him and hold him accountable to the International Criminal Court for the crime of aggression in Iraq because he didn't have UN approval.
All of this is in Here Come the Black Helicopters, Dick Morris and Eileen McGann. How